Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn 3 ways to remove formatting in Word. First is when I want to remove this formatting from this text. Just press Ctrl space bar. The formatting will be removed. The second way is just select the text and click this normal and the formatting will be removed. Third way is if you copy the text from internet and you want to paste in Microsoft Word, the formatting also plays here. But I don't want formatting text, I want unformatted text. Then just copy the text from internet, Ctrl C, and if you want to paste here, just right click and keep text only. When you click this, then formatting will be removed from the text. This is very good techniques to remove formatting in from Microsoft Word. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.